Sully here. Today we are opening a Twilight Masquerade Booster Box. Let's get started. I'm very excited to see what we get. This is our first pack of our 36. Doesn't seem like a lot, but it is. Compared to Elite Trainer boxes that only have 9. Okay, well, let's put our packs over here and we'll put our good cards here. Okay, so you have a Finison, Caretaker, have a Glimmet, a Lampint, Accompanying Flute, Slurpuff, Milotic. I believe this is a hit. Hits are sometimes common in packs, but not always. A rare? No. Nah. A Barkadori. Always, for some reason, it's hard when you open booster boxes. It's always hard to get the rares cards like Mercadori, but in reverse holo or normal form. That did happen to me where I did get that, but it's just kind of uncommon. Not the Pokemon uncommon, but it's uncommon. Poltergeist, Room, Watrel, Gron, Clefable, Cook, Maeda. That's okay. And a rare, nope, Chandelier, regular rare Chandelier. So don't get confused on this one part. There is a Poltergeist and a Poltegeist. The difference is Poltegeist evolves from Sinistra. Sincity. And yeah. So Poltergeist evolves into Sinistra. So that's mainly the difference. They kind of sound the same. For about like a month, I looking it up. It was very confusing thinking about like what's different and what's not. Is this a rare? This is a rare. Hit. Ah, dang it. We did get this at least. It's about sometimes, I think, somewhat every 5-6 packs you'll get a hit, but the rest more likely to get just duds. I wish they had God packs in here, but only 151 or 151. That's the only set that actually had God packs, because you could get like the Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, Venusaur, then you could just go along and get Squirtle, Wartortle, Blastoise, or Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard. Or the other way around. There's 2 kinds. There's the one where you get the full evolution in a rare Hokey Dogi. Like, there's 2 ways. You can get it in like the regular form where it's like Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard, or you get in the other way where every single card in the pack is a hit. They're very uncommon. It's pretty much every, like, maybe, I would say 10,000 packs. It's just very difficult to get a God pack, but this set doesn't for some reason. Got a Feebas. Oh, this is a hit. SARs, if you guys don't know what that means the rarest cards. Like in 151, it's Charizard, Blastoise, Erica's Invitation, and a couple other. But this one, it's Carmine. Which I pulled, the Greninja, a couple other ones. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Iron Thorns. Still good. Iron Thorns, regular rare EX. Wait, sorry, not regular rare, but it's double rare. 2 stars means double rare. 1 star is rare. I never actually heard of A-Spec rares. I think it's only for Temporal Forces and Twilight. They did that. But the new set, I believe, is going to have that. It's just, I don't know when it comes out. I think in August. Yeah, August. We got an Applin, normal. Wait, that is the normal. They're all normals up until you get to here. Yeah. Go here. We have that. This kid's gonna be a hit. No. Just iron leaves. Still good. Still good. I would personally say you get a hit pretty much on the second side. It's like the first side is just like a warm-up. Like when you play games, you warm up. It's pretty much like you start off good, pretty much EXs, and then boom, I got the Carmine last time. That's kind of what happened, but you're not always guaranteed to get something good in a pack. Like, good luck is what all you can do. I got Carmine only because I had good luck. That's the only reason. Okay. Dracloak, reverse hollow. Reverse hollow. See that? It's... Nope. What is it? Frostlass! Frostlass. Frostlass, I think that's the only rare in here. More common for the rares to have 3 cards, the normal, reverse hollow, and hollow, but most normals and there's mostly a reverse hollow and a normal. Hollows, on the other hand, are rare because I would say, yeah, all rares are in hollow form. Those pass. Seeking. I think rares too. Yeah. I have a weird feeling that this is a gold card. Abra. This is Buddy Buddy Puffin. That's like one of the rarest cards. Sachiyu. If it's a gold card this early. Oh. Frostlass! 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 Where is it? Wait, oh, sorry. All right, here, right. Okay. This is the Frostlass. I, for some reason, think this is in a haunted mansion. Just myself, I like haunted, scary stuff. It's probably just in a regular house. Ursaluna. There's also Ursaluna one, guys. It's, I think, the 4th or 3rd most expensive card, Ursaluna Full Art. Be cool if we could pull that one, or Pirin. You guys probably know that one. Got a Tadbulb, got an Applin, a Swirlix. The artwork is just so good. And then think about back days when you think about like the rare ones. They are like back days, like there's a lot of Venusaur, Blastoise, and Charizard, like the 1st edition, but the things like the Pokemon have got better. I wouldn't say this is a hit. No, Orgipon. Guys, if you may not know, but there's a Teal Mask Orgipon EX, and it's going like somewhat above $11. It's just a regular EX. The other one that's like that is a Dragapult EX. I've had some really good booster boxes before, and this may be one of them. Chimiko, Chimchar. Wait, am I looking at the box or the card? It's one of them. You can think you get a gold card, but it's sometimes just regular. Wait. Oh, Greninja. I was a little confused there. I was like, there's a like a, what's it called? Fighting Energy EX. My brain's going a little crazy right now. I'm just thinking about Greninja. Also Carmine for some reason. Like last time, I was like, I can't, this is too much. Like that, it's not even normal to like what Greninja would be like. Because Greninja went down in price like a lot. It was at like the 150 mark point, and then it moved down to like to like 126. Okay, just an Fizzindipity. It was like at the 150 mark, but it moved down to like 126. Same number as Carmine. Carmine moved down for some reason. But a lot of other expensive cards like Charizard from Paldean Fates, Charizard from 151, all of that stuff has moved down. It's just like they are, maybe it's just like the pack, like the cards go down in price because of how valuable they are in playing the Pokemon game. So, for example, like if Carmine's expensive because probably people use it in tournaments to help themselves win, and that's one way. There's other ways, but I don't really think I would know. What is wrong with these packs? Like, we have a Greninja, Iron Thorns, and a Frostlass, but like, we can do better. We're almost done with one part. I said that last time, and it's like the box wants you to get more. Nope. Yeah. Sinistcha. Just Sinistcha. Let's test it. We've done pretty good on booster boxes, like the Temporal Forces one. I've opened a couple of them before, and they were really good. After I did my recital, I got 2, and like I got big hitters in there, but not like the Iron Crown and Raging Bolt, just so you guys know that, because cards like that, it's really hard to pull those, because it's, again, this is a full art, I see it. No, don't want to spoil it, sorry. Sculpede, the Shine, Diplin, Torkoal. Wait, if this Lana Zade is one of the most, no, sorry, wait. Ah! Karen! There we go. I don't know why I thought it was Lana Zade. There's 2 Lana Zades. Let me see this. Karen. You know what gave it away? The background. Because Lana Zade has a blue texture in the background, but let's keep ripping these packs open. I want to get some more stuff. We are doing actually good. I would say we're doing good with Kieran and Frostlass. I need the Greninja too. Iron Thorns, I have a couple of those. If this is a hit again, I don't think this is a hit. Corpish. Got a Grookey, Accompanying Flute, Boomerang Energy, Slurpuff, Helioptile, then we got a Florges, Chandelier. It's like, I would say that's the same thing for like Temporal Forces. It's like, it's always a Bramblegast, and I think like Fraligator, the one in Macrago. You're always if you get a dud, it's like always you're gonna get that. I'm starting to think Chandelier is one of the most common rares, because you get it a lot for some reason. Okay, here we go. A Shinx, Bug Catching Set, Aimbot Palm, Ugron, a Grookey. Here we go. Oh. Wait. Oh, okay. Blissey, that's good. It's just a regular EX. Do they have Terraform EXs in here? Terraforms are like, I don't really know how to explain it to you, but if we pull one, you'll see what it is. I'm probably guaranteed to. Okay, a Finizen, a Watrel, Glimmet, Thwacky, I love saying that name. Oh, sorry. Perrin, you already saw, it's Milotic. Erados, first rare, no, Eminem, what? Oh, it's a lightning energy, I thought it was a fire. Probably gonna start trying to guess what it is. I'm gonna call this, I think, I'll say this is grass. I'll say this is grass, what is it called? I'll say this is a grass energy. Let's see. Clefairy, Varoom, Volbeat, Alexio, Cook, Clefable, Normal, Tatsugiri, Illumise, Reverse Hollow, Slugma, Reverse Hollow, and a Hollow Rare Heatran. Dang it, I got it wrong again. It's a steel energy. I thought it was grass. I'll make it easier for you guys. It's gonna take longer and you'll see the hit first, so let's take the code card out and then put that there. Okay, we have our thing away. And let's begin opening this. Psychic. Ducklet, a Ninetales, Trevenant, Mulga, Enhanced Hammer, Kilowatrel, Galele, or it's maybe Galele, Monferno. Why do we keep getting Okie Dokie? I for some reason thought it was supposed to be a rare card. Like, is Okie Dokie supposed to be rare something? Okay. I know we're gonna get some hits, yeah, a lot of hits. Let's see. Second fire. Again. This is a hit. Wait, what did I just show you guys? Finizen, Watrel, Rillaboom, Monazade. Cool if we could get the special illustration rare. Tangela. Wait, what? Okie Dokie. That doesn't make sense. Oh. I thought it was, I think, yeah, the rare is sometimes, like, they kind of sometimes can trick you. It makes it look like grass energy. Nope. It kind of makes it look like it's, like, it kind of makes it look like it's a special card, like a full art. Like Kieran, I saw that, but this time, I think it's a hit. This time, Palfin, Tatsugiri. For some reason, I've seen that Palfin is like a really common card in the later sets. We got a Tatsugiri. Okay, Poliwrath. Oh, Orgipon, Wellspring Mask, Orgipon. This thing's gonna fall over soon. We have a lot more packs, I could say. Glimmet, Thwacky, Heliolisk. We have a Ducklet, Rivaroom, Ogre's Mask, Sunflora, Poltergeist, Abra, Walking Wake. I don't know how that last time I got this in the reverse hollow. It's like rare to get back to back the same card. This is the energy, and this is our rare. So we have a Darkness Energy, Feebas, Gigaraph, Vulpix, Froakie, Jamming Tower, Glaceon, Sandslash, Brute Bonnet. That's a different. There's two different kind of reverse holos. There's that kind and that kind, and then a rare. My God, what is happening? It's still very excited about Kieran. Getting full arts like that are kind of rare. Okay, I have faith. I have faith in this pack. Growlithe, Monferno, Nosepass, Enhanced Hammer, Glalie, okay, Kilowattrel, Dreepy, Torkoal! Torkoal! There we go, Torkoal. It's kind of an older, not older version of a card, but Torkoal, if you can see, it's like him, but as an older version. Probably that's his owner too, because like in the Pokemon movie, the Pokemon have trainers. And that's probably its trainer, but grown up, and it's the Pokemon's grown up. Somewhat, I think the Pokemon's, I guess, 155 or 555 like years old or something. Pokemon can live a long time, but especially that one, I think. Eevee, cool to get the full art. I really want that full art Eevee. Slugma, Swirlix, Iron Bundle. There we go. Lucian, Darmanitan, Bellybolt. A rare. What is this? Yes! Yes! There we go. Luxio EX. Okay. Let's keep opening up these packs. We got a lot left. Jinx, Floetti, Sunscreen, Abra, Brute Bonnet, Community Center, Iron Bundle, Phantom, Tamigo, Iron Leaves. Okay, we have a couple packs left. We're down to about maybe like 10 or no, we got about 12, I think. Somewhat 12. Okay, let's put the code card and the energy. Basic Energy, Tadbulb, Applin, Flippy Bibby, Litwick, Carmine, Swanna, got a Bellybolt, Perrin, Swadun, Sinister. We have a chance for something amazing still. Skymori, got Applin, Snorunt, Laron, Probopass, Loveball, Scolpede, Zapdos, and a rare. Ooh, Palfin! Another EX. Wonder what's happening with these EXs. It's like common to get EXs, but one thing is that they're not common. Like not that kind of common. Paul Sand, Timber, Spinark, Snorlax, Lonazade, have a Leafeon. Oh, unfair stamp. I wonder why they put it there. I think it's just supposed to be like a head, in packs, it's like 2 or 3, but it's like the rare keeps moving up a step. When you open like the packs, it's like Temporal Forces, it was 2, but Paldean was 1. It's probably like that, but it's moving up. Eventually, it could be all God packs. It would be the last one. So if the rares are the last one, it would just have to be a God pack, because if it's at the very front, it's gonna be a God pack. Fable, Walking Wake. That Torkoal is really cool. Okay, our last remaining packs. Done like about like 6 packs left, and this is our 6th. Okay, here we go. Growlithe, Poliwag, Apom, Durakumukamu, Revaroom, Villaboom, Handheld Fan, Ducklet, Vulpix. Why can't we get an Amorous? I don't know why can't we get an Amorous. Well, I don't need an Amorous, but it's just like Mercadori is like, there's so many Mercadoris. Okay. Oh, okay, put this here. Venipede, Aron, Sandshrew, Chansey, Slurpuff, Piran, Milotic, Dipplin, Frogadier, Arcanine. I know for some reason not seen a hit in so long. Okay. Have a couple packs left. After this, we have 4 packs. Let's see what we can get. Can't believe we not got a Macrago. Ooh, Corpish, Grookey, Helioptile, Finison, Morpeko, Conkeldurr, Dipplin, Tadvolb, Timber. Ooh, Orgipon EX. I don't know about if I'm guaranteed to get a, I don't know if you're guaranteed to get a Terraform. SARs are like 1 in a million chance to get one. Or something around there. Tangela, Clefairy, Shinx, Poltergeist, Arados, Kieran, Cramorant, Spinark, Lampent, again. Oh, that's not Mercadori, but it's okay. Okay, here we go. We're down to 2 packs. This has been crazy already, I would say. Glimmet, Lampent, Poltergeist, Cutie Center, Farigiraf, Brute Bonnet, Shinx, Infernape. 1 pack, number 36. Give this good luck. Let's see what we can do. Varoom, Wattrel, Volbeat, Goldeen, Tatsugiri, Farigiraf, Railfort. There's an Amorous. Oh! Whatever it's called. Lairon. Good. I was worried. I told you guys it could be at the very end. It could, well, not like the card could be at the very end, but it could be there. So it's been fun opening this. So see you guys in the next video.